afternoon, evening, morning, afternoon, evening, from wherever you are and whatever time you're watching this video. So as usual, this is a beautiful day. I hope your day is beautiful too, man, because mine is, I won't lie, I'm having a blast. I'm having a beautiful day. So straight to the video, and we'll start with the global news. Global news are very good for us as traders. You should be informed because these things are affecting the market back, front, left. And US has launched attacks, attack on Iran. Okay, and they are calling them self-defense. So Iran accuses US of grave violation of ceasefire as Trump 6. We don't want to go into details. Targeting missile sites and boats. They're saying that some boats wanted to lay landmines at the Strait of Hormuz, but who knows, And US shot them, launch sites, missile sites. Here they are. So this is not very good for the peace deal, but I think Trump already knows that the country is weak, and he knows he can push them. He knows he can push them, which is not very good, because if he pushes them too much, I know they will retaliate. One thing I know with Iran is, if these deals were done in closed doors and Trump didn't tweet all this stuff, the war will be over. Iran doesn't want to seem weak after the war. Iran wants to sell the idea that it wants its citizens and everyone. Even if it has lost or even if it has won, Iran doesn't want to seem weak, because at the end of the day, the neighbors that it attacked, I know they are not that good with the actions, and I know some of them will have to retaliate. And Iran has to show it has power and might for its survival, within the region. The Middle East is a very, very tough area, because those countries, they encourage being strong. If you're not strong in the Middle East, look at the wars, look at the terror groups, look at everything that happens within that region. So, and this has made the deal to be a little bit shaky, but I know the deal will be closed and the war will end soon. So in the other news, UK has hit new records when it comes to heat waves. UK has been experiencing a lot of heat. UK heat wave pushes east of England temperature above 30 degrees Celsius. So I saw they even surpassed, or they were at around that 5 degrees Celsius at a point. And this is not easy, man. This is not easy. As you can see, this region has not been experiencing a lot of heat. So experiencing a lot of heat is not easy for them. They have to adapt, man. So the temperatures are not good. I don't know if it's the global warming or what has caused these heat waves, but they are still there, and they are affecting the people. And on final news, Israel, Israel on Hezbollah, Israel is pushing deeper into Lebanon, man. As you can see, Benjamin Netanyahu says Israel will intensify strikes against Hezbollah. At this point, I'm questioning these strikes, man, because Bro has no sympathy with these people. I'm questioning how much did this Hezbollah individuals push him, man? Because the level at which he is hitting them, and he is promising to continue hitting them, seems he was very ready for this to happen, this opportunity to come. And when he has gotten the opportunity, he has decided to show them dust. Israel-Lebanon ceasefire strained by border military strikes. I don't think Israel is ready to stop hitting Lebanon, but let's hope for the best. But on the news, they are continuing to blast Hezbollah territories, as they are saying. So let's go straight to the charts. And we are going to start with gold. So gold is what has been happening. And as you remember, I went to the weekend with trades. Okay, I went to the weekend with trades. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Look at this. Today is Tuesday. Still holding my trades. Let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best. But I'm planning on adding another setup here. I'm planning on adding another trade. I'm planning on adding another trade here because the market today has closed very beautifully. So I'm planning to wait for the market closure, and I can add another long here, which will come, up to here. That will be a very good setup. So I've been working on a strategy that will give us more setups, and we'll be able to maneuver the current market waves and situations. And I think somehow I have come with it. I'm not 100% sure, but I will see the win rate, because before I enroll to trading in a certain strategy or give it outside, I have to ensure it has a good win. Okay, so I have come with one of them, and this is one of the factors that pushed me to reduce these other pairs and focus on pairs that were working on my previous strategy and my current strategy. So I'm waiting for this setup to come here, and I might close trades here. And if the market comes here again, I might close all my trades, because I have realized this area has a lot of resistance. The resistance at this level, at this zone of 800, 4580, very, very strong. The sellers are too much, and remember, the market is not that trending. The market is kind of consolidating. So that's one of the things you're supposed to know. When it comes to USD, the market has closed in a way I didn't want it to close, but I was waiting to take a long on USD. I was waiting to take a long on USD here, but the market is pushing back. As you can see, the market has broken a support and turned it to resistance. So I have to wait and know if I will take this long. So for me right now, I'm waiting to take this USD long, which will be a very good setup if the market closed above these levels. If the market closed above our support, if the market closed around 50,540, if it closed within the 540 levels, it will be very good, because those ones will be very good when it comes to buy, because that shows and would have encouraged buyers to the market. So this break of this support and turning against resistance is going to push some buyers away, and people have to sit on their arm. Remember, when it comes to trading, you don't have to be in a hurry. So that is USD, and let's go to BTC. BTC, I don't have a setup, no need to analyze it. The other one that I'm looking is oil. Remember, I said I'm going to trade oil if it continues to show respect to our trading strategy. Previously, oil didn't show any trading strategy. It did not favor any trading strategy, but as the war is easing and as the war is prolonging, the markets have a way of adapting. So I think the market has started to adapt when it comes to oil, and I'm waiting for it to come here. If it comes here, I might take this long. Okay, as you can see, I have 3 trades I'm waiting, and you see all of them are long. So that's the midweek update. I don't have much. I just have to end my video there, and hope we will have a profitable week. You search at all out. Let's have a beautiful trade.